Greetings. My name is Ian Brown. I'm the principal investigator for AVX Aircraft Company on the design and development of a lightweight gearbox for air-cushioned vehicles. So who is AVX Aircraft Company? Well, we were a company in Fort Worth founded in 2005. We've received a number of contracts over that intervening years, contracts by the U.S. Army Technology Development Directorate, and also with Northrop Grumman, where we designed, built, and actually tested a 2,000 horsepower transmission and rotor system for tactically exploited reconnaissance node, or the TERN, which was a UAV joint program between Northrop Grumman and ONR. AVX has applied for and received patents for coaxial compound helicopters, helicopter control systems, lightweight gearbox for air-cushioned vehicles, amongst others. Our key resources are our engineering team, which are experienced, innovative, and visionary engineers with decades of experience from Bell Helicopter and Sikorsky, designing, developing, and sustaining multiple rotorcraft, including the V-22, the AH-1Z, and the CH-53. The Navy challenge for this program is to design and build a prototype lightweight gearbox for the ship-to-shore landing craft air-cushioned vehicle. The criteria, the weight, the speed, the fan direction, rotation, life, maintainability, and reliability, we meet or exceed all of those criteria. The design constraints that we had to incorporate in our design would ensure that it would go into the existing craft propulsor system, mounting locations, incorporate the existing engine input locations, maintain the output shaft RPM, maintain the craft engine's direction of rotation, and importantly, comply with the craft specification. Operational needs and improvements that we bring to this program is that the Ship-to-Shore Connector is an air-cushioned vehicle providing amphibious transportation of equipment and personnel from ship-to-shore and shore-to-shore, development of a performance-improving, robust, maintainable, and lightweight, less than 30 pounds, and variable speed gearbox is paramount to SSC operation. Along with decreasing the weight, making a more serviceable gearbox would lead to reduced repair costs. Typically, each major repair requires gearbox removal, takes 200 labor hours, and depot level cost of $100,000. Additionally, an innovative multi-speed functionality would allow for an increased efficiency and enable a reduction in fuel consumption. Of course, the new gearbox design must be compatible with the current craft regarding form, fit, and function. The solution to this problem is our design, the AVX lightweight gearbox. And you see there, it is drop-in ready, fits in existing spaces. It's lightweight. The planetary reduction in double helical gear design results in a weight savings of 1,321 pounds per gearbox, and there are 2 gearboxes per ship. It has a 2-speed lift fan at 100% and 85%. Those speed ranges were negotiated with the NAVSEA TBOC. We included an overrunning clutch that eliminates the need for a brake, and we got improved reliability and decreased maintenance. And we have a strong supply base with proven manufacturers. Current status, AVX Aircraft has developed a formidable interactive maintenance master schedule. The ship-to-shore summary schedule is shown, at least a portion of it, and we have got a focus for the next couple of months to get the test plan established. And we're working with proven test plan stand design company. The AVX supply base is capable of meeting the schedule for gearbox build-up and testing for delivery by May of 2022. Our current status is depicted on this bar chart, and the upper portion is the AVX notional schedule that would get us through design, test analysis, and incorporation into the SSC program. And the lower section is the actual program of record schedule that is published by NAVSEA. The key features and advantages and benefits that the AVX Lightweight Gearbox brings to the program is lighter weight, 30% weight reduction. That is really significant, over 1,300 pounds per gearbox, 2 gearboxes per ship. We have a self-contained lubrication system. We change the oil maybe every 5 years to keep out all the contaminants and salt fog, etc. We have a 2-speed manually selected lift fan static shift. We have a double lock-in lock nut design, eliminated lock wire, retaining rings, and locking screws. Again, another maintenance reduction. Innovative environmental barrier, protects the carbon face seals, again for reliability. And we have no scheduled TBO, which is really important. The results are this 30-year, 4,500-hour operating life, fuel efficient, low maintenance, and a reliable gearbox that avoids the costly $100,000 and 200 man-hour repairs. As far as transition to the fleet, AVX Aircraft has completed the pre-design of the lightweight gearbox. We now require funding to advance the critical design review and contract with suppliers to procure the long lead material and fabricate a prototype. The SBIR identified the acquisition program as PMS 377-6 Division Landing Craft Technical. Application to NAVSEA for Accelerated SBIR STTR Acquisition Program, or ASAP, has been submitted, and that could provide the necessary program office funding to ensure the gearbox can be available to demonstrate, integrate, and test on the prototype SSC craft at Panama City, Florida. Following successful test performance, AVX will refine the prototype into a design that meets the full SSC craft specifications and work with PMS 377 to initiate a full production contract to manufacture units for the complete program of record. The transition and partnership we are looking for is that AVX Aircraft is developing the lightweight gearbox with Navy SBIR funding. To achieve a qualified production-worthy product will obviously require PMS 377 program office funding. To integrate the gearbox into the SSC will require close coordination between Textron Marine and Land Systems, the craft prime contractor, and AVX. And the AVX production gearbox could be contracted with NAVSEA and furnished to Textron as GFE or directly contracted from AVX to Textron. The way forward for this program, we see AVX Aircraft Company providing the increasing payload, reduction in fuel cost, reduction in operational and sustainment costs over its 30-year life. Point of contact, Frank King, our business development guy, and I'm the TPOC, Ian Brown. There is our contract information. Thank you very much.